Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth product reviews and recommendations. Today, we're diving into a revolutionary solution for transforming your home's exterior: Venier wood-like paint for garage doors in dark oak.
If you're in the market for the best paint for your wooden front door, look no further. This isn't your ordinary paint, it's a game changer.
With Venier's innovative Seamel wood paint, you can turn virtually any surface into stunning wood-like finish.
From aluminum to MDF, ceramics to worn-out wooden surfaces, Venier's got you covered. What sets Venier apart is its ability to replicate the natural veins of wood with exceptional realism. You'll be amazed by how closely it resembles real wood, giving your surfaces a warm and inviting texture.
With 5 different colors to choose from, including honey oak, cedar, and walnut, you have the flexibility to match any wood tone you desire. Plus, its water-based formula makes it a breeze to use, saving you time and hassle. But wait, there's more.
Venier wood-like paint isn't just for interior use, it's also perfect for exterior applications.
Whether you're refreshing your garage doors or giving your front door a makeover, Venier delivers stunning results every time.
Don't just take our word for it.
Customers rave about Venier's ease of use, durability, and value for money.
From DIY enthusiasts to seasoned painters, everyone can achieve professional quality results with Venier. So, if you're ready to elevate your home's curb appeal and give your wooden front door a new lease on life, head over to Amazon.com and grab your Venier wood-like paint today.
Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique.
Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more expert product reviews. Until next time, happy painting!